Hi students, today we are going to discuss about worksheet 2.6 in our application box. In this worksheet, observe the first A Roman. In A Roman, compare the numbers and fill in the blanks with, fill the boxes with greater than or less than or equal to. So now we are going to compare. Here when you are going to compare, here one is Roman number and one is Hindu Arabic number are given. So now what we have to do first? In A Roman, I am going to explain first one here. So L, X, I, we are going to compare this to 72. So L, X, I, this number we must complete, we must convert into Hindu Arabic number in our mind, and then you have to compare with 72. So here L, X, I, L means 50, X means 60, 50 plus 10, 60, 61, 62. You can write 62 here with your pencil and then compare these two numbers, then it will be less than 72. Understood? Like that you have to do. And I am going to explain the fourth one here. In the fourth one, LXXX IV is there. LXXX IV we are going to compare with 82, 84. So here 50, 60, 70, 84. 84. These two are equal. Understood? Like this you have to compare the given numbers and then you put greater than, less than or equal to, like that. You can complete the remaining two sums with the using of this model. First you have to complete these two, then you have to complete the remaining. Now coming to the B Roman. In B Roman, statement sums are given. No? For the statement sums you have to solve the statement sums. Read the first one here. 786 tickets were sold for the first show of the movie. Round up the number to the nearest 10. So simply what we have to do? We have to 786 tickets are sold in first show of that movie. So simply we have to round to the nearest tens. So there is what we have to write, the number of tickets sold in first show of the movie is equal to 786. So round nearest tens for the 786 is equal to 786 is equal to what we have to write. So first observe the ones place number. Ones place is greater than 5. So it tens place will be rounded up. 790 will be the answer. So 790 is nearest tens for the given number. Understood? Like this you have to do. I will explain the second one orally. After that all of you try to do that one. So second one, read the question. 7,609 books and 6,787 books were sold on the first and second day respectively. In first day 7,609 books, in second day 6,787 books were sold. Okay, what we have to do here, what we have to find here, of the books exhibition, round of the both number to the nearest hundreds. What we have to do? Here we have to round to the first day books. First day how many books are sold? We have to write there. Number of books sold in first day is equal to 7,609 is there in your book. You have to write that. I am not writing on the board. You have to try to write that. What we have to write? Number of books sold in first day is equal to 7,609 books. Okay, we have to round up to the nearest hundreds. Try to round to the nearest hundreds. What we have to do? We have to round up to nearest hundreds means observe the tens place, and if it is greater than or equal to 5 means it will be rounded to up. Less than 5 means it is rounded to down. Like that only write the second statement. What we have to write? Number of books sold in second day is equal to, write the number and round to the nearest hundreds. Like that you have to complete the B Roman. Okay, like that you have to complete the B Roman second one also. Now coming to the C Roman. So in C Roman, write your birth year, round it off to the nearest hundred. Also write the original year in the Roman numerals. These two things you have to do. So here what we have to do? First we have to write your birth year. So your birth year, for suppose your birth year 2011, for suppose C Roman birth year. You have to write the year only, no need to write the date and month. Here you have to write the birth year, you have to round it to the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds means hundreds plus 0. So you have to observe the right side of the hundreds, tens place you have to observe. In tens place what it is there? 1 is there. So it will become 2000. Nearest 100 is 2000. Okay, 1 is less than 5 now, so that you have to round it to down. So after that you have to write the Roman numeral for the birth year. So you have to write the Roman numeral for 2011, not 2000. Actual birth year ki Roman numeral rayali. So 2000 means 2 m's you have to write there, and 11 is there, no, 11 means xi. So 2011, like that you have to write the Roman numeral. This is the example only. You have to write your birthday. You have the birth year you have to write, for you have to round to the nearest hundreds, then you have to write the Roman numeral for the actual birth year. Understood? Now D Roman. So D Roman, read the D Roman there. Bharati said that she used about 530 colored beads to make a design for a competition. So what could be the exact number of beads that she used to 527 or 537? That is the question. So here what is the number is given? 530 colored beads. How many beads? 530 colored beads. So it is already rounded off. This is rounded off for which number? For 527 or 537. 537 will become 530 or 527 will become 530. 527 will become 530. 537 will become 540. Actually it is nearer to 540. This 530 is nearer to 527. So that how many beads she used exactly? 527 beads are used by her in that exhibition, competition. Understood? What statement you have to write for this? Number of beads used for competition is equal to about 530 used. The exact beads are used by her is equal to, so 527. You can write the two statements only, that is enough. You must write with your own. Okay, like this you can complete the worksheet 2.6. Understood? Thank you.